how to install XAPK file on Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you have downloaded XAPK files from Google or any website and you are able to install the apps on an Android device, you might be facing some issues. For instance, when I try to install XAPK files, I often encounter an error that says can't install this app. This can be quite frustrating. To successfully install XAPK files on your Android, you will need to use an additional app. First, go to Google Play Store and search for XAPK. Install the app, then open it and grant the necessary permissions. Next, locate the XAPK files in your file manager. Choose the app you want to install and either tap Extract here to extract the APK file or tap Install. Make sure to enable settings and give permissions as required. Once you have done this, the installation process will begin. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.